All right, so here we are in quarantine, and I just wanted to take some time and talk about something I've been dealing with lately, and that is failure. I have been applying for jobs over the last few months, and it has not been going well. I can usually get through the first couple interviews easy because my interview skills are relatively decent. Blah blah blah. This is what I can do. Blah blah blah. These are the frameworks I know. Blah blah blah. But then it comes down to the coding exams. Now I've been a professional web developer for 3 years now, so I can build websites. I'm not discounting my skills as a web developer. I'm not completely useless, right? I can build things. I have shipped products before. It's just these coding exams, they test some strange things, right? I've had a few where they test you like for algorithms, and I've had a few where they test you for things that I don't know. I don't see how it's relevant, but I don't really want to complain too much about the hiring process so much. What I really want to focus on is how I've been dealing with this rejection and this failure. The thing is it's really easy. It's so easy to be defeated. You can fail one thing and you can immediately think, man, I'm terrible at this. Maybe I should just quit. And I feel like that's a honest response, but you gotta put that away, especially if you're going to be doing anything in life, because life is full of rejections and failures. But there's a couple of things that I've been doing to deal with this, which is why you're watching this. The first one, reach out. Don't live in a prison of isolation and force yourself to deal with all these emotions by yourself. I happen to be part of a pretty cool Slack group run by Micah. Link in the bio. Link in the wherever they're linked. There's link in where the links are. There's a lot of really cool people in there, and just saying, hey, this thing happened to me. Other people are like, yeah, I got rejected for this, or I failed this, or whatever. It happens, but the important thing is to reach out. 2, learn from it. I have taken something from every interview that I've done. Maybe I learned something new about JavaScript. Maybe I learned a new skill for interviewing. More importantly, maybe I realized that this is not the job that I want to work for. I think part of the reason why they do these coding exams is to screen out people. So I applied for a full stack engineer position, but I clearly did not have the skill set to do that job. But the job description, it sounded like stuff I could do, but I don't think I would have been successful in that job. So it's a good thing that didn't work out. So learn from it. The bottom line is that sometimes things don't go according to plan. Maybe you really wanted to work for that company, and maybe it didn't work out, but there's more opportunities out there. You just got to keep applying. You got to keep pushing forward, and at the end of the day, you'll find something that works. Me getting rejected during that coding interview was not the end of the story. It's only, maybe it's the middle of the story. I took another one yesterday, and I think I did pretty decently. I'll find out next week how it goes. But the point is that it's not the end until it really is the end. So just keep pushing forward. So my question is, what failures have you had to deal with in your life, and how are you doing that? And please share your story, because I think failure is one of the most prevalent parts about software engineering in general. I mean, when you're coding, you're going to fail all day long until finally you're going to get that ding and it's going to be successful. and it's going to make you really happy, but you have to be able to deal with the lows. Yeah. I guess that's it. Happy coding.